So if you've sent a broadcast email out to your list or a subset of your list, and you want to resend it to the people who haven't opened the original email, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So if I look down here, I've sent out a test, just a demo email to 3 subscribers, all of me on a demo site here. So you can see in this email, I've sent it to 3 recipients and only 1 recipient has opened the email. So if you want to reset, remember this is just a demo, it could be like 1,000 emails and maybe 500 haven't opened it. So if you want to resend it, if you click on this little, the 3 dots at the end here, you'll see at the top here you've got an option, resend to Unopens. So I'm going to click on that. And then what it does is it opens up the email editor again with the original contents of the email in it. Now, in this one, there's literally nothing out, just a blank email I sent out. But by default, it puts this resending word at the start of the email subject line. I tend to delete that. And I'll either leave it as the original subject line just to get it sent out to the subscriber's inbox again. But more often than not, what I do is I change the subject title just so that even if they did see the email, the original email, this one will come into their inbox with a different subject line in there. So it's up to you what you want to put in there, but put in something that's going to be obviously, it's going to incentivize people to open the email. Again, you've got the option to edit the actual content of the email if you want. I don't really see any value in doing that because I haven't opened the email in the first place. However, if you want to, the option's there for you. And then once you've done that, it's just literally going through the same process that you do with any other broadcast. Click continue, send the email, and this time you don't get the option when you send the broadcast to choose your subscribers. Normally you'd see in there the option to choose the subscriber you're going to send it to. In this case, Kit just takes care of it for you. It's going to send it to the people who didn't originally open it. You can also add in a different preview text if you want. I'm not going to do it in this demo here. And then I'm just going to click continue, and it's going to say I'm going to send it out now. So it's sending the broadcast out, and now when we look down here at the broadcast, you can see at the left hand side we've now got this drop down option. Okay, so if I click that, you'll see down here I've got the original email which was sent to 3 subscribers, only 1 opened it, which is a 33% open rate. And then down below that you see the resend of the original email. In this case it's just been sent out to 2 people, so the 2 people who didn't open the original email will now get that. So that's how you can resend a broadcast email out to your subscribers.